Hey everyone, I'm reading A Court of Thorns and Roses, and I have some thoughts, so I wanted to share them. So I'm about halfway through right now, and I'm listening to an audiobook, and it's going really fast because I can't stop listening to it. I guess that means I can't put it down. I was really nervous about this because I feel like people in the book community are either loving it or hating it. I know it's been out for a few years now, so I'm not sure why I'm hearing about it so much right now. Anyway, I started reading this and immediately loved it so far, and I love the descriptive writing. It's giving me really strong Katniss Everdeen vibes from the Hunger Games, because I love Feyre, and she's out hunting when this is not a spoiler, and I'll try not to have any spoilers. She's out hunting when she shouldn't be to provide for her family, and she's really good at it, and there's not really good explanation for that. She just is. It's like her chosen quality, you know? And then she gets swept up in this just literally rich life that just seems so out of place to her based on like what she knows so far. And then about a quarter of the way through, and this is not a spoiler either, I realized, oh crap, there's gonna be a romance in this. And it was really looking like it was gonna be one of two characters at that point. So I started to get really, really nervous, and I was like, if this romance is stupid, that could definitely ruin the whole book and explain why some people like love it or hate it. I'm honestly not that big of a romance reader unless it happens to be in something else, but a lot of the booktubers I've been watching lately are really into romance, so I was like, okay, I'll try to keep an open mind. There's always going to be something kind of hand-wavy about fantasy books anyway. So I'm going to be honest, when it started, I was eye-rolling a lot. I have never heard a noise that made me want to purr. But when we finally got like the first like big interaction, I'm not gonna lie, it was making me have some feels about these two characters. So after that, I've been dying for them to like be in the same scenes together, and I'm loving learning more about the world. So halfway in, I'm actually really liking it still. It could still take a turn, and I could hate it depending on what happens with this. There's no reason for these characters to be together, like, whatsoever. It's very hand-wavy, but that's okay, as long as it's done well and written well. I may still like this book. I'll update you at the end.